Do you want to become better at violin playing than you've ever been before?
Yeah!
Me too. And you and I know that the only way we are going to get there is practice. That's why we'll hold a 3-day practice challenge. How it works? Glad you asked. On each day of the challenge, I will be going live on my Facebook page. And I will take 10 minutes to explain the challenge of the day. You are going to practice right with me, so be sure to take your violin. After we've been practicing together, I will take some time to answer your personal questions. So whether you are a beginner and would like some guidance with what to practice, or if you've been playing for a while and feel like you're stuck playing the same old stuff all the time, this challenge is for you. I created this challenge for you to get motivated to practice and to surround yourself with other violin players that are just as motivated as you. So you will encourage each other and inspire each other to practice more. And also I created it to help you with your personal questions and to give you advice on what to practice. So how do you join? Just go to my Facebook page, Find Inspiration, on the time that the challenge starts. 8 p.m. GMT +1. Which is Berlin time, and you will have to check what it is in your own time zone. I'm going live on Facebook. Just log in to Facebook, go to my Facebook page, and you will be able to join right away. Are you going to join me? If so, let me know in the comments, and also tell me from which country you are going to join this challenge.